God. Wow. Really? Go, Lou. Wait. Run, Lou. Hell no. Lou gets to go. You knew it. Where's your pliers? Oh, God. Just super glue them.
Nice there, Jason. Now we're going to get west side.
Really? Why?
Gave up on that thing on a couple of quarters. 2:45 to go.
Help.
This time by 4 seconds, so advantage shows that Jason Newton closing in another half a second of Lou Higgins. Oh, nice landing. That'll make up some time for Jason. Lou will forward again on the front straight. Split by 1.4 seconds. Now it's 2.2 seconds. So Jason Newton cut that time in half. Another great landing off the triple. Little bit of trouble on the corner table. Got it. I'll call that third eight. Lou gets the sideways.
Oh. Come on, Lou. Come on, Jason. Oh. 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 Oh.
And that one off the corner table. That's the front one now. Now there's the front straightaway. The red one moves off. Coming down the mountain, almost making contact, 45 seconds to go. At the first up, Higgins to the one.
Wow. Nice. Oh, he's okay. He's okay.
Down the front straightaway with 30 seconds to go.
Is it lose day? Is he win?
Coming up to the river section, the northern kick out, and
oh my goodness.
19 seconds. Get to the one track. Solid person by the old split time of 1.2 seconds. 9 seconds to run. This will be their last lap. Coming up to the river section, little full sideways.
Oh no! Oh no! Triple. Wow. Yeah. Dang. He almost got the trifecta.
Wow, 4 little short courses going to be up next. 4x4, track is yours.
We got one good one today. Makes up for all the bad ones.
Hey, all day you're killing me.